Hi YouTube, today we're going to be making, I'm always the chef. I'm going to be making my shredded chicken tacos. So here's the broth. It doesn't look very appetizing, but I just wanted to show you the finished product, what it looked like. So to get there, I started with 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I just put them in this pan, covered them with water. I added a small white onion, about 6 garlic cloves, and one bunch of the cilantro right here. And then I poured in some chicken bouillon. You can add salt if you don't have the bouillon. I always do either or. It doesn't, I mean, it kind of, I like this better because I just feel like it gives it more flavor. But if I'm almost out of this because I cook so much. I usually have the big container, but I ran out. So again, if you don't have this, just substitute with salt. So you want to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to turn it on low heat and just watch it maybe like 25 to 35 minutes. And then the way you can tell that it's done is when it pulls apart easily and shreds. So once it was done, I just took it out and then I waited for it to cool and then I shredded it. You're also going to need your corn tortillas, some lettuce. This is the habanero salsa I made earlier. This is the regular salsa I made earlier. This is the queso fresco and the Mexican cream, and then some oil to fry. So here are the tortillas. So you can heat them up in the microwave. I like to do that just because I have so much to do and just to get it on the table fast. Or you can heat them up on the grill. So once you take them out of the microwave, they're hot, then you can stuff them with the chicken, fold them over, and then prior to this, you want to have your oil hot on the stove. Get it really, really hot. It won't cook the same if it's not hot. It needs to be really hot so it cooks evenly, and then cook it maybe like 3 minutes per side. And then this is the finished product. This is what it looks like once it's done. So we're going to go ahead and stuff it. So I like to add some lettuce, I like to add some of the Mexican cream. And the salsa. And the habanero salsa. This is delicious. This really makes this dish. And it's not super, super spicy. I made it with 3 of the habaneros, but it's not overpowering. Get a little messy. It really is delicious with this. Okay. Set them up right so you could see. And then I like to top it with the queso fresco. And then I love lime added to my tacos, so I always add some lime juice. It just really adds to the flavor. And voila, there you go. It's really, really fast, easy, simple, and it's really delicious. So thank you for watching. Please like the video if you like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.